Hey everyone, it's Veronica and I'm starting a new series called 2-Minute Storyline Tips, where I'll show you various tips and tricks in storyline in under 2 minutes. So let's get started with the first video in the series. I've got this interaction here that I built a little while ago. So you go through these different options to create your burger. So first you can select beef, chicken or fish. You can add that. Then you can select your type of cheese, and again, just one of the options is possible. Then when it comes to the sauces, you can actually multi-select. So you can select all three or just one or two if you want to. Then you can select your veggies to go on your burger. And again, you can select as many as you like. And then this will calculate your burger. So I had a question from someone come through, and it was, how did you set up the triggers and states so that users can only choose one patty or cheese? But for other selections such as veggie, sauce, etc., users can choose more than one. So let's take a look. This is pretty simple, although it's a bit of a hidden feature in Storyline. These three patties are objects on the slide, and each of them has a normal and a selected state, as you can see down here. And to make these so that only one of them can be selected, all you need to do is select all three of them, right click, and create a button set. That means that once they're into a button set, only one of them can be selected, so long as all three have a selected state on it. So to create a new button set, I've named this one Patty, but you would just simply say new set, rename your button set however you want, and just add it in. But here, when we get into our sauces, if I select all three, actually you can see that each of them still has a selected state, right? But when you select them and right click, you can see that these ones have no button set attached to them, which means that you can select all three to 1 or 0. And that is how you can get some selections to be only one selection is possible, and others where you can select multiple options. So I hope that helps and you found that useful, and I will see you at the next Storyline 2-Minute Tips.